Elite Americana Collection Electric Cordless Kettle. This Americana 1.7 liters Cool Touch electric kettle is the perfect blend of nostalgia and functionality. Not only is this kettle a fun and retro addition to any kitchen countertop, but it also boils water efficiently, saving time and energy over the use of conventional stovetop kettles. This kettle boasts a double-wall Cool Touch exterior, an exterior temperature gauge, and a BPA-Free Food Grade 304 stainless steel interior with zero contact between plastic and water surfaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cool Touch Electric Kettle. The Americana Electric Kettle by Elite has a 1.7 liters capacity and is ideal for making hot tea, coffee, baby formula, noodles, oatmeal, or even simply boil water for sterilizing. Number 2. When premium design meets excellent craftsmanship, the results will exceed even your highest expectations. Our stylish retro design featuring a BPA-free stainless steel interior with an exterior temperature gauge is here to make your life easier and add a touch of nostalgia to your countertop. Number 3. Double wall insulated design. Constructed of 100% food grade 304 stainless steel interior plus a PP exterior for anti-scalding and heat preservation. Though plastic of any kind comes in contact with hot water for safe, healthy drinking water every time. Number 4. So easy and convenient that everyone can use it, without any hassle. The auto shut-off function will make sure that the kettle is turned off when the water starts boiling, so you don't have to worry about it. Just set it and forget it. Plus, the handy on-off switch is the only thing you need to learn. No fussy instructions. No complicated parts. Number 5. Fast boil system. With 1,500 watts of power, you can quickly boil a full 1.7 liters, 7 cups in under 8 minutes, conveniently preparing hot tea, delicious cocoa, or instant soup. Save time and energy for more important tasks. Number 6. No more messy accidents or spills, thanks to the large pouring spout that features a stainless steel filter for perfect, spill-proof pours. Plus, you can finally enjoy your aromatic tea, refreshing coffee, or delicious hot cocoa anytime you want. With a capacity of 1.7 liters or 7.2 cups, you'll always have enough hot water for your tea, instant noodles, soups, or other recipes, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.